Nissan Titan Maintenance Service. Nissan Motor Company is a Japanese multinational automobile manufacturer headquartered in Nishi-ku, Yokohama, Japan. The company sells its vehicles under the Nissan, Infiniti, and Datsun brands, with in-house performance tuning products labeled Nismo. The 2019 Nissan Titan is a full-size pickup truck known for its powerful performance, towing capabilities, and a range of available features. Here are some key features and specifications of the 2019 Nissan Titan. Servicing a Nissan Titan involves regular maintenance to ensure optimal performance, reliability, and longevity of the vehicle. While specific service requirements can vary based on the model year and exact specifications of your Nissan Titan. Here are some general guidelines for Nissan Titan maintenance. Regular maintenance schedule. Follow the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule outlined in your Nissan Titan owner's manual. This schedule typically includes regular service intervals for items like oil changes, filter replacements, and inspections. Oil changes. Change the engine oil and oil filter regularly according to the recommended intervals. Use the oil viscosity and type specified in the owner's manual. Fluid checks and changes. Regularly check and, if necessary, replace various fluids, including transmission fluid, brake fluid, coolant, power steering fluid, and differential fluid. Brake system inspection. Inspect the brake system regularly, including checking brake pads, rotors, and brake fluid levels. Replace brake components as needed. Tire maintenance. Rotate and balance the tires regularly to ensure even wear. Check tire pressure and alignment, and replace tires when necessary. Air filter replacement. Replace the engine air filter according to the manufacturer's recommendations to ensure optimal engine performance. Battery inspection. Check the battery regularly for corrosion and ensure it is securely mounted. Replace the battery as needed. Suspension system. Inspect the suspension system, including shocks and struts, for wear and damage. Replace components as needed. Exhaust system. Inspect the exhaust system for leaks, damage, or excessive rust. Replace components as needed. Belts and hoses. Check the condition of belts and hoses and replace them if they show signs of wear, cracking, or damage. Fuel system. Add fuel system cleaner to the tank periodically to help maintain fuel system cleanliness. Professional service. Seek professional service from authorized Nissan dealerships or certified auto service centers familiar with Nissan vehicles. Software updates. Stay informed about any software updates or recalls for your vehicle. These updates can be performed by authorized service centers. Warranty considerations. Adhere to warranty requirements and recommended service to maintain warranty coverage. Always refer to the specific owner's manual for your Nissan Titan model year for precise information regarding maintenance intervals and service requirements. Regular servicing by qualified professionals will help ensure the longevity, safety, and performance of your Nissan Titan.